Tired of notification overload? In Basecamp, let's tame those alerts and get you focused in under 2 minutes. First, let's access your notifications. Look for the Hey menu, typically located in the top right corner of your Basecamp screen. Click on it. This is your central hub for all things notification related. A drop-down menu will appear, displaying a list of your recent notifications. We'll see updates on projects, assignments, mentions, and more. To mark individual notifications as read, hover over the notification you want to clear. You should see an option to mark as read or a similar icon, like a checkmark. Click it. For a clean sweep, look for the Mark All as Read button, usually located at the top or bottom of the notification list. Clicking this will clear all your visible notifications at once. To manage what types of notifications you receive, go to My Stuff. You can find that by clicking your profile image, avatar, then select Notification Settings. On the Notification Settings page, you'll find options to customize your alerts. Toggle on or off notifications for specific projects, to-dos, or types of activity. Tailor these settings to only receive updates that matter most to you. And that's it. By managing and clearing your Basecamp notifications, you can minimize distractions and stay on top of your projects. Now you can enjoy a cleaner, more focused Basecamp experience.